Hey, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus or Rising from 25th till the 31st of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2 links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. I have the Ace of Cups. This is someone who feels like there's a lot of overwhelming kind of emotions here. This can be a new person, this can be somebody with whom you have a restart with, but there's a lot of emotions overflowing in the situation and a lot of freshness, newness kind of energies there. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups as their feelings for you. So I have the Eight of Cups and the Six of Pentacles and the Devil. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This might be somebody who is walking away from a very imbalanced, from a very toxic, unhealthy kind of a relationship, and they are straight falling into your arms. Meaning they are straight away coming to your life. It can be a totally new person who is falling for you. Meanwhile, they are trying to leave something or someone toxic behind them. They are still not done yet there. They are trying to. Okay. First thing. Second thing, this person is feeling a lot of love for you, but at the same time, they are feeling like this situation have some kind of third party energy, whether it's from your side or their side. That is why they feel like they should detach, even if there is a lot of love here. Take it how it resonates with you. There's a lot of love here, but there's a sense of detachment and walking away also because of the toxicity and negativity and unhealthy kind of attachment and or the third party, whether it's from your side or their side. Okay. So if it is like they're a new person, new energy, they're still dealing with somebody else also. They're trying to walk away, but they're still dealing with that. If this is like you guys are having a toxic or unhealthy kind of energy, then even if there's love here, they feel like they should start walking away. Cool. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Three of Cups. From your side, you feel like keeping things casual, friendly, happy go lucky, keeping things really beautiful and positive, especially if you guys share a mutual friend circle or social circle or something like that. Okay, let's see, let's clarify the Three of Cups. There is a sense of friendliness, there is a there is a sense of, okay, let's keep things let's keep things going in a positive way. Let's clarify the Three of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Chariot, the Five of Pentacles, and the Strength card. Right. This is a situation, this is a friendship, this is a bond that's actually helping you to keep going in your life. Because you're feeling left out in the cold by something or someone, you are not sure whether you should take it forward or not. Okay. So there is a friendship, there's a bond, there's a connection here, which is making you feel very good, very light-hearted, very happy-go-lucky, and it's bringing a lot of positivity in your life, right? And you feel like keeping it going like this only. But at the same time, you feel like you are not sure or you are not ready to take it forward. For some reason, you just feel like keeping it here only right now at this present moment, and you feel like you should hold back this urge or desire to take the situation forward, whatever it means in your scenario, like taking it to the next level, making it official, or making it a romantic relationship. But there is this sense of, okay, let me hold back, let me think about it. Okay. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Virgo? Five of Wands. They just don't want any kind of drama, chaos, or conflict in their life anymore. I'm telling you, this person is dealing with other people or other energies too, and it's really very difficult for them to stay here right now for whatever reason. Let's clarify the Five of Wands as their intentions. I have the Ten of Wands and the Four of Wands and the Six of Cups. Wow. See, this person, what is happening? There's a lot of fear in between you and this person. This person doesn't want any kind of heavy and burdensome kind of energy in this situation between you and them. Either they are already married to somebody, and or they were committed to somebody and they still care for that past person or past energy. If there is a past person or past energy that they are still dealing with, it was in their feelings also. If not, they are very very scared of making things official or committing to you or committing to this situation. If you guys are together from a very long time, they want the situation to be as beautiful, as lovely, as caring, as nurturing as it used to be at some point of time. If you guys just met like few weeks ago or something, they still have a past person, past energy in their energies that they want to make things work out with, even if it sucks. With you, they want to make things work out in a very very beautiful positive way, without any kind of conflict, chaos, or any kind of drama, or any kind of heavy or burdensome kind of energy. I don't know what that means in this situation. You know better than me. I'm super disconnected from the readings these days. I'm just reading the cards. Let me know if it is making sense to you, because to me it's not making any sense. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Ace of Swords. From your side, you want nothing but the clarity, nothing but the bare naked truth and the clarity and understanding of what this situation represents to you, what this situation represents to them, so that both of you can be mentally clear and take it forward accordingly. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Swords as your intentions for this particular person or situation. So I have the Three of Cups and the Nine of Cups and the Five of Swords. See, both of you are scared of what is going to happen next in the situation. None of you is able to enjoy the present moment because of some kind of stressful energies around the situation. There is definitely a third party energy here, whether it's from their side or yours, or maybe both of you are dealing with other energies too, whether it's romantic or otherwise. So you want to keep things going, you want to keep things very loving, nurturing, caring, friendly, happy go lucky, and everything like that. But you want to be very very mentally clear also, like where it is going and what is going to happen next, so that there is not going to be any kind of shit show afterwards from your side or from theirs. Wow, this seems like a very easy energy when I'm telling all of this to you, but it's a very complex, layered kind of energies between you guys. Okay, on paper you can say in the 3D world everything looks fine, everything is going fine, but inside of you there is some kind of volcanoes that are slowly but surely about to erupt in the coming future. For sure, I am going to see that kind of energy in the coming future in the readings for you guys. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 31st of May, Virgo. Let's see. So I have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so this is like feeling left out in the cold, whether you are going to feel it or they or both of you. There is going to be this energy of one of you trying to detach from the situation before it's going to become worse. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles as a potential outcome here, honey. So I have the Six of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Yes, one of you is going to be in this energy of, okay, this is becoming too much to deal with. Let me just shift all of my focus on myself, and let me keep my guards up, and let me detach and take a break from the situation, because I know it's going to be a shit show. It's going to be very difficult to deal with in the coming future. So it's better for me to separate my ways right now only. Otherwise, I know where it is going. So one of you is going to deliberately separate your energies from this situation, because one of you is going to sense that it's going to lead to nothing but pain and agony and a dark future in the coming future. So what's the use of even going in this direction? So one of you is leaving the situation here. It's not like the person who is leaving is enjoying the leaving. They are also hurt. They are also feeling like, okay, this is the toughest thing that they have to do. But at the same time, they know that it's better for them to leave now than when it's going to be too late. Okay, it's tough. It's actually complicated. There is actually love here, but there are lots of complications also, blockages also in the situation. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week. Virgo, I have the Magician, the Four of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. You know, you have to get out of your fear. You are holding on to some kind of fear or belief system, or some kind of you know lie that you think is a truth, but it's actually not the truth. So you're manifesting for things to work out in a positive and beautiful way, and you are ready to invest also. But there are lots of fears, insecurities, and lots of things that you are not releasing from your system, so that you can manifest exactly what you want, right? So you want things to work out, but you're not ready to do the work. You're not ready to remove the belief that is stopping you from moving forward and making things work out. You are not ready to let go of something out of your system, maybe a belief system, maybe again a lie that you guys can't be together. It is impossible. It can't happen in this lifetime. See, if both of you are in love and both of you want this thing to work out, you guys have to make a lot of sacrifice, not sacrifices, are a lot of changes in this dynamics for this dynamic to work out, because I can sense love from both the sides here, right? Intensity can be a little bit up or down, but there is love in this situation. And for things to make for things to work out, you guys have to make a lot of changes. You guys have to reprogram your subconscious mind. You have to change your belief system. You have to understand that you have to do something in order for this thing to work out. Not doing anything and blaming the universe, blaming yourself, blaming the karma and the divine is not going to help you in any way possible, right, Virgo? Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as a guidance for your situation if you want to, honey. Okay. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay. So the answer to your question is choose a new direction. See, a direction change is required here. Let me see. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? This card can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. You know, or you already know the truth. All you have to do is you have to take the actions. You have to make the necessary choices and decisions for things to work out. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.